Good afternoon. Thank you for taking the time to ride down southbound on the Front Runner. This will be a full train car, so please be courteous with those around you and allow others to be seated. We hope you had a fun day up here in Ogden, and we will be, well, it looks like we're on our way now, so thank you for riding UT's Front Runner.